Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all once again. Today's video, I will be creating a vignette for St. Patrick's Day in my office lobby. So you guys let me know what you think as we decorate and style out this vignette. Now in the bottom of this basket here you see something maybe a little odd or strange, but what it is a bag of the buffalo snow that you would normally use at Christmas time. So I didn't have anything else to base for my florals, so I pulled out my bag of buffalo snow and I am using it for my base. Hey, you don't have to go out and buy foam, floral foam. Use what you have. So in search of my home, or in search of the office, this is what I found. So we're going to go ahead and create this beautiful basket of florals, and I will continue to create this vignette. Now if you're new to my channel, I do take this time to say I welcome you all here. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you would like to become a part of this family, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. For those of you that continue to show love and support, I say thank you. So continue to enjoy to the music. Be blessed and take care. Hey guys, I am super sorry that you cannot see me arranging these floral pieces. I'm trying out a new apparatus around my neck, and it's really good when you're decorating your tablescape, doing your play settings, but it's not really working out so well here. But I guarantee you're gonna like it. So continue to watch as I continue to create this beautiful floral arrangement for my St. Patrick's Day vignette. Yes, continue watching. So the little sign that you see here with the truck is from the Dollar Tree. So as the little 3-leaf clovers, they are like a garland type, all linked together. So I've stuffed them inside the basket. I have 2 of them with the green and the gold foil, with the one hanging over on the side. The necktie, the boa, and the plate that you see here, charger plate, these are all finds from the Dollar Tree, as well as the little leprechaun hat. I used all of this to create this space here in the lobby. Also, the table runner is also from the Dollar Tree. The basket that you see is I shot my stash, as well as the vase. A lot of the flowers I had already, so I just used it to create this look as I created this St. Patrick's Day vignette. Now, if you're new to my channel, again, I say welcome, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you want to be a part of this family here, just hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you so very much. Alright guys, be blessed, take care, let me know what you think of this vignette by leaving me in the comment section, giving me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share.